Carnival Cruise Line's Carnival Freedom. Well, the iconic whale tail has caught fire again. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, you guys probably remember back in 2022, Carnival Freedom docked down in Grand Turks. Fire broke out in the whale tail in the exhaust funnel of the cruise ship, resulted in the cruises being canceled. Passengers had to be transferred to the Carnival Conquest. The Carnival Freedom then had to go to dry dock, and then she rode around for a long time without a whale tail, just a regular old funnel. And then 5 months ago, she finally got her new whale tail, was back out sailing looking like a Carnival ship, only to have another fire break out in the whale tail. So Carnival Freedom was sailing out near the Bahamas yesterday, had just had to skip her port stop in Princess Key due to bad weather, when what passengers are reporting the loudest thunder and lightning strike they had ever heard, and then smoke and fire start coming out of the whale tail. So it looks like at least the possibility, Carnival Cruise Lines has not yet confirmed it. It is still under investigation, but it does look like the Carnival Freedom may have been struck by lightning, which is what caused the fire. Now, the firefighting crews on board jumped into action. They said the captain turned the ship towards some heavy rain to help put out the fire. No guests were injured. There is 2 crew members that were treated for smoke inhalation, but a part of the funnel has fallen down onto deck number 10, but no guest injuries. Okay. The U.S. Coast Guard was advised of the situation. The ship is still fully operational and is continuing on with the cruise and is expected to be back in port on time. Now, at this time, Carnival has not made any changes to any itineraries involving the Carnival Freedom. They're saying the ship is fully operational. She just basically has a section of her whale tail currently missing, and Carnival did send out a letter to those on the next cruise scheduled to leave tomorrow on board the Carnival Freedom. They did receive this letter. Saturday afternoon, Carnival Freedom reported a fire on the port side of the ship's exhaust funnel. The ship was approximately 20 miles off the coast of Ithura Island, Bahamas, heading to Freeport as a replacement port of call for the canceled visit to Princess Key due to adverse weather. The ship's emergency response team was quickly activated and was able to extinguish the fire. Eyewitnesses reported the possibility of a lightning strike, and that is being investigated but cannot yet be confirmed. There are no reports of injuries to guests, and 2 firefighting team members were treated for minor smoke inhalation. The U.S. Coast Guard has been kept informed. There are no operational issues with the ship's systems, and she is expected to visit Freeport tomorrow, Sunday, March 24th. This evening, Carnival Freedom guests are enjoying their elegant night dinner as planned, and except for the open decks, all areas of the ship are fully functioning. We do not expect any impact to the next voyage, which is scheduled to depart Port Canaveral Monday, March 25th. Safety is always our priority, and we will continue to take excellent care of our guests on board while we prepare to welcome you Monday. See you soon. Sincerely, Christine Duffy, President of Carnival Cruise Lines. So, directly from Christine Duffy, no expected changes to Carnival Cruise Lines. Obviously, those top deck areas around where the piece of funnel fell, those are currently closed. So, what is this going to mean for Carnival Freedom? They're going to have to obviously finish their investigation. They're going to have to assess the amount of damage done to the funnel. Is she going to be without her whale tail again? Are they going to have to remove sections of it? At some point, is she going to have to go back to dry dock to get it repaired? And is the Carnival Freedom just determined not to have a whale tail anymore?